At TeacHER, our mission is to inspire and educate young minds on the possibilities of careers in the AEC industry. Our goal is to bring engaging and diverse characters to life through curated kits, which are bursting with books, resources, and engaging activities that illustrate the wonders of architecture, engineering, and construction.
This year, we're expanding our beloved character stories to reach a wider audience. We're introducing 2 new diverse male characters and crafting unique curriculums that build on all of the characters' existing traits. We're excited to implement 2 additional kits, comprehensive workbooks, certificates, and children book recommendations, plus templates for corporate Take Your Kid to Work Day programs and social media guidelines.
We have been building partnerships with nonprofits, libraries, and youth organizations like the Girl Scouts and Junior Achievement. Our objective is to use these national organizations as our platform to ensure children of all demographics can see the exciting opportunities for future careers. We believe in starting small and scaling up. This pilot project will allow us to refine our approach before expanding to larger organizations and a possible retail launch. Join us in supporting this program. Donate kits to the library of your choice through corporate sponsorships or make a donation today on our GoFundMe. Together, we can empower and educate the next generation. Learn more at zgelevateher.com.